Hi, this is Joanna from the band Glasspirits, and I'm going to show you how to use a Spotify scan code to find an artist just like us. So, in the Spotify app, go to the bottom menu, tap on the magnifying glass that says search, and it's going to lead you to the search page. There's a white search field with another magnifying glass, so go ahead and tap on that. Spotify is going to encourage you to type in something in the search, but instead tap on the camera icon on the top right corner. You might have a screenshot of our scan code, which you can use. Select from photos. Give Spotify permission to look at your photo gallery and choose the right photo with our scan code, and our artist page should show up. Now, if you just want to scan our scan code from another source, something you've run into, you can go ahead and do that, and just make sure the picture of our scan code fits in the clearer box. And boom, you're all done. Our artist page should show up. But go ahead and give it a shot and try to scan our scan code with the Spotify app.